Hello guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwiches. So first what you'll need is to get some cookie mix, which directions will be on the back. And then we're gonna get 1 stick of softened butter and an egg. And the ice cream, which is in the freezer. First, we're gonna be making the cookies. After you mix all the ingredients together, put the dough into a ball and place it on the sheet. Make sure to put it far enough away from the other balls so that they don't stick together while they're baking. As you can see, I already made a first ball, so you can see what type of shape and size you can make it. And after, when you do that, make sure to put the oven to 350 degrees. Once you have everything done and they're done cooking, what you want to do is get some ice cream, get 2 of the cookies, flip them both over, and then get a scoop of ice cream and put it on one, and put it on one. You can add more if you like, and then you put them on top of each other, and there you have it, a sandwich.